I got married 2016, 1st October. I I give birth to 6 children, twins. I lost 5. Only one is remaining. So the marriage started with that is my first boyfriend. I met him when I was in my SS2. We dated for 7 years before we got married. So after the marriage, a lot of crises here and there. An Air Force officer. This is a man that doesn't want to see any man. Even if you are going out, if you see any man looking at me, he will be like angry. Why is this man looking at my wife? You start making noise. But after 3 years of the marriage, they posted him out of Kaduna. I'm calling from Kaduna State. So he used to come every weekend to check on me. After everything, this man now started telling me that he wants to tell me something on chat. I have the chat in my phone. He said he wants to make me feel important, that if I want him to love me more, I should go and have a boyfriend, that he has freed me, that he has checked up and down that there is nothing in this life. I can have a boyfriend. If he's not around, the boyfriend can take care of me. When he's coming back, he can come back and I will come back home. I can as well go and be staying with the boyfriend. I told him I don't understand, because me, I'm from Kaduna State, he's from Benue State. My own place is a taboo, not talk of his own place. I thought he was joking. I said, please, can you come down to Kaduna so that we'll talk? I don't understand. It's like somebody stole your phone and is talking to me. I switched the call to video call. He now said, no, he's the one talking to me. He said, I don't have fuel to come back to Kaduna. I said, okay, no problem. I will send you money so that you buy fuel and come. So when I send him money, he now come for weekend. He was still saying the same thing. I said, come, this is the same person that can read Bible from Genesis to Revelation off heart without reading Bible. So when he came back, he was still repeating the same thing. And I said to him that I said, let's pray. That was the first thing I told him. I said, let's pray. He was just laughing at him, sir, which one the prayer here? So I held his hand, we prayed. And I said, can you talk to me again? He said, yes, that he mean everything he said, because that he have checked heaven and earth. There is nothing in the life. If peradventure one of us die, another person will take over. So it's better he sees it alive, and that's what will make him to love me the more. All these issues started, and I say, okay, for this issue, I can't tell my parent, because telling my parent, I don't want to create any mistake between my parent and him. I now go to his village and meet his dad. And I tell the dad, this is my problem, this is what is happening. The dad now called him to come. When he came, now say yes, that he said that because he see that there's nothing in the life that is his wife. He married me and he paid my money, so he don't want anybody to prognosing his issue. Is what he wants, and that is what will make him to love me the more. I started praying. I went to the church. I knelt down. I prayed. I met our chaplain. I told him, this is what I'm passing through. I never wanted to involve third party, but this is beyond me. I want people to help me in prayers. During December, I will use my money to buy food stuff and go to my family house and tell them that my husband said I should give you people so that they will not disrespect my man. So all that happened. He now started having an affair with my cousin's sister behind me. I don't know. She used to come and call him uncle. She will call me auntie, because this I'm somebody that I don't check him. I didn't believe that men cheat for real, because me, I'm just after myself. So then my cousin will come to my house for weekend. One of my neighbor was telling that guy, the way this my cousin is playing with my husband, I should check her. And I told her that, please avoid my home. I don't want people prognosing on my family issues. Why will you be putting her on my husband?
Bonzi,
yes, sir.
I beg, make I clap for you. You don't give me a new phrase today. I don't believe men shit. Make I clap for you.
Thank you, sir.
Continue.
I was using Samsung and iPhone SR. He now said I should give him the SR so that he can use it to be doing his assignment in school. I said, no problem. That he will give me, because my Samsung was having problem that time. He now said I should give him, that he was going to give me his own phone so that I would give him my own iPhone. I give him the phone. He deleted everything that he has in the phone. Give me his phone, and I also give him my phone. I now install my WhatsApp in the phone. Then my message was backing up. I now saw a message pop up in my WhatsApp. That my cousin was sending nude pictures to him. I was like, how comes? I don't understand. This is my WhatsApp. I now called him on phone, because before that day, I was asking him, if you know there's anything that is going on between you and this lady, please, I beg you in God's name, stop it. I don't want anything that will bring problems between me and you and my family, because it's a taboo in my place and also in your place, because their culture is very strong. He now said that nothing like that, that he's just playing with her because she's my cousin. I said, no problem. So when I saw that message, I called him on phone, because I went to my family house. My dad was sick. I went to see my dad. Then I now call him before reaching. I say, I just saw one message on my phone. Tell me that there is nothing. I don't understand what I'm seeing. That there is nothing. This. I said, no problem. I'm still coming back home. When I get home, I didn't quarrel with him. I said, sir, look at this message. How can you explain this? He now told me that she's the one sending him the message. So he want to play along and see the kind of sister I have. That is why he didn't tell me all this. So I said, okay. With that, I still did not believe that she's cheating on me for real. I've never. So I now say, okay, no problem. But please tell her to stop sending this me. I don't want to meet her one on one so that she will not be maybe I'm trying to disrespect or I'm trying to make her feel because she's not married. I don't want that. Please warn her. Before I know, she came for weekend. One after 2 weeks, I allow her to come for the week. So I want to confirm something. When she came for the weekend, I was inside. We were sitting down together in the sitting room, and I was feeling sleeping. I said, let me go and lie down because I'm waking up very early to go for antenatal the following morning. So I was in my room. I didn't see him past 2. I said, this man did not come in. We need to pray. Because I normally wake up midnight to pray. I said, we didn't pray. This is past 2. And I come out. I said, let me check him. Maybe he's still watching movie. He should check his time. It's time for prayers. I didn't see him. I said, and I come back to my bedroom, check the bathroom. Maybe he's in the bathroom. I didn't see him. And I said, let me check the visitor's room. I don't know. I just opened and I saw him on top the lady. I just snapped him and come outside. I did not raise alarm. I could not sleep because I was having that pregnancy.
Please be specific. You saw him on top which lady?
My cousin, he was.
Okay.
They were having. I don't want TikTok to ban me that. Like
Okay.
he was on top
You
of
should
her.
have said on top of your cousin, not on top of the lady.
On top of my cousin. That is my cousin's sister. So I now come out, and that pregnancy come with BP. I don't want anything that will hurt me. This is barracks. I don't want to raise alarm that I will embarrass myself because barrack they can change story. I just quietly come out. I sat down in the still room and was crying. So when he finished what I didn't even raise alarm. He didn't even know that I saw him. When he come out, he saw me, he was shocked. Babe, what are you doing here? I said, I've been waiting for you for us to pray. Let's pray. It was that she just called him that. I said, no problem, let's pray. It's still midnight, let's pray. We prayed and I'm good. I could not sleep. I just have to force myself to just lie down so that I can go to the hospital in the morning. I went to the hospital and I came back. I saw him. He cleaned the house. He was not comfortable.
Does
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You catch your man on top your cousin.
Yes, sir.
After he don't come out, you still tell him make una pray.
Yes, sir.
Continue, my sister. Continue.
So when I went to the hospital, I came back, I saw he cleaned the house and he cooked. After I finished eating, I told him that this is the scan result. They said that they're going to induce me to give birth to this baby. The baby is dead in my womb. One of the baby is dead, so they have to induce me because I'm already 8 months, 10 days. I can as well give birth to one of them because twins they don't used to reach 9 months. They can be 8 months plus or 10 months or more than. He now say, okay, no problem. I said, I have to prepare my things and go to the hospital for my life. He now say, okay. I now pack my things. We went to the hospital. They induced me. I bring out the dead baby and the one that was alive. This is that one I just showed you. So I came back from the hospital. My mom came. I didn't tell anybody. I was just with the thing. He was busy begging me. I said, I don't want to talk about this for my health. Let me calm down first. I will talk to you later. So after 3 weeks, my mom left. And now sit him down. I told him that my cousin stopped coming to my house on her own. He stopped coming. And I told him that there is something that I want us to discuss that it's better for us to say it now than tomorrow somebody will just die in silence. He said, what? I said, I want a divorce. I want to leave this marriage in peace because I understand that he has put himself into something that I don't understand. I want to go in peace. I'm not having any grudges against him. Let me just go. Because this thing is affecting me mentally. I don't want anything that will hurt me. Because before we married, I was a crisis because me, I'm from Kaduna State. He's from Benue, Igede. So I don't want problem. My family, I don't want to go and start telling my family things that they will hate you. I don't want it. I want if we separate, you can as well be coming to the family to see your child. I don't have issue with that. He said, God forbid that he can never leave me. I said, you have to. That is because he loved me. That is why he told me that for that thing that happened that day, that he don't know what happened, that the girl, she forced him, something like that. I said, no problem. Don't need to explain yourself. So in the morning, that thing happened around 8 p.m. In the morning, I woke up, I went to the court straight. I reported the case. I filed for divorce. They now sent someone to him. When he received it, that was on 26th of November. They sent the someone to him. That was 2022. They sent the someone to him. He said that he's not going to go to any court, that he can never leave his wife. I said, then we need to pray. If I think there is something that is wrong with you, that you need prayers, maybe there is something that is affecting you, let's pray. I pray. I took fasting. I fasted for 7 days. We prayed, and still the thing was still continue. And I told him that, guy, tell me the truth. I'm your wife. If there is anything you are looking for that make it to do to put your hand into all these things, I will help you. Before then, I skipped something.
Hold on. I won't get
Okay,
you
sir.
again.
Okay, sir.
You dey pray and fast for am. You dey pray and fast for the man wey dey cheat, wey dey do all
Yes,
those
sir.
things. You dey pray for am, make it change. You dey fast and pray to God, make the man change.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On 31st of December, he begged me that crossover night that he's not going to do it again. This I said no problem. I kept quiet. On the first, I went to the market and buy food stuff. I cooked soups, I cooked things and put inside freezer. And Anthony, he now said that I've forgiven you from my heart. There is no problem. But we'll still go to the court and tell them that we have settled. Deep inside of me,
Wait,
I'm not ready to stay in the marriage.
wait, prayer warrior. The food where you cook now for him to follow it.
I was being sent forth for him, for real. I was being sent for deep inside of me for him. He don't know. Because it's off my neck. I cook
Continue.
food and put inside freezer. I do different kind of juice and put. I'm a chef. Anytime he's with woman, if you call me, I didn't pick, he will record it. I have a record that he sent to me in my phone. I will forward it to you. It's a voice record that when he's sleeping with a lady and he forwarded it to me. He forwarded it to me to listen how the girl was mourning. Like, the thing was too much. He now said that he will never leave me, that he went to places that they told him that if he did not marry me, he will not have peace of mind. I said, that means you will never have that peace of mind, because me, I can never come back to you. Staffs will close by the time.
Wait, the apple of God's eyes. Please, waiting to happen now. What is currently happening now?
What is currently happening now? He said that as far as he is concerned, if I didn't come back to you, nobody will have me.
Child of God, wait, child of God. So this man, he no one leave you now. He talks say no go leave you, whether you like him or not.
Yes.
In the after your life, in the trying to say goodbye you.
Threatening me. He said that even if today I marry, that he can even go spiritually to scatter me. That I told him that.
Let me say something. I'll be real honest. My sisters, please don't feel offended, but I just want to speak from the soul right now. A lot of you women hate yourselves. I'll meet you. Make I talk something. A lot of you women hate yourselves. When you should be praying for yourself, you are praying for a man where you catch you they like your cousin. When you should be saving money to be doing something for yourself, you say they cook food for them to do self-faults. When you should be looking for a way to sort yourself, to be praying to God to set you up, they pray for a cheating man to stop cheating. After all he has done, they send you recording of him knocking another man. You still never block him. A lot of you women don't love yourselves. I don't want to use love for the word because love sad. I want to use the word. A lot of una hate on ourselves. Una hate on ourselves. Even though your story is still ongoing, but I'll be honest with you. When I have a guest here, I do make some comments. I'm not directing it to you, and I'm not judging you. There are people where they're in worse situation than you.